Good morning. Amateur versus pro. Let's keep it going. Great conversation yesterday. Thank you so much. And the one question I want to know and ask is, I thought we were going to have paid content to watch a lot of these UberTubers. I mean, I know that you and I present our lives to each other, and I'm just kind of throwing them up there for nothing. But I was under the impression that people like Charlie and Nariman and all the big people that everybody wants to see and would gladly pay to see was going to become paid content. Why do you think we had to make these huge banners to put up on YouTube so it would look great on a big flat screen TV on the family wall? They were thinking that we were going to sit there and watch that way. I'm still watching on my computer. Now I can watch on television because I'm a Roku kind of guy. But would I pay the same thing to watch content on YouTube as the same reason I pay to watch Breaking Bad by buying it off Amazon on Roku every Monday morning? Thank you for your thoughts. Keep them coming, and we'll see you soon.